Learning to code became a new reality for children from a really young age. However, understanding the abstract concepts behind it is not that easy, especially for visually impaired children. The playful alternatives in the market are highly visual, which creates an extra barrier to their learning process. Visually impaired children end up thinking that coding is very complicated to learn. Eventually, they grow up and have to choose a career, and they might not consider trying to pursue a STEM discipline. This is not ideal. Considering all available toys for sighted children encourage them to feel familiar with technology concepts and level up their education. But it doesn't have to be that way. We can definitely have inclusive, playful alternatives that allow visually impaired children to discover their potential. DODO is a mixed reality game designed for visually challenged children that want to learn coding in a fun and accessible way. DODO consists of audio games that provide coding missions for the kids to solve in tangible paper modules that are affordable and easy to get.
You can store a value into a variable. In this case, you will represent this by actually placing the value module inside of the variable.
DODO has variable modules, value modules, operator modules, if statement modules, and print modules, as well as computer vision to detect the tangible modules shown through real-time object detection. Everything is connected through the DODO platform that guides the kid through the different levels or stages. It's easy. First, start the DODO game and then take the DODO paper modules with you to place them close to the computer. Then listen to the audio missions. Grab the modules and use them to represent the code to solve the mission. This is the point where your code representation is detected through real-time object detection. Then, DODO processes if your attempt is correct or not in relation to what the mission was expecting you to show versus what you actually showed. DODO tells you the result with voice and sound effects. Basically, all you need to do is represent code with paper blocks and show it to the camera and wait for the result. You can feel the different shapes of each paper module when you grab them, and listen to what you got wrong or right before moving to the next level. The sound effects will let you know right away if the attempt was successful or not, to know if you need to rearrange your code representation.
You did not show the right module. Do you want to try again?
Yes.
Say yes or no.
Yes.
You showed the right module.
Keep playing and moving forward. With DODO, now we can transition to a more inclusive world. We want to make coding accessible for children with visual impairment, allowing them to be part of the evolution of learning towards STEM-related knowledge from a young age. We can deflect from the high cost of inclusive STEM-related games, and most importantly, help visually impaired children to stop feeling limited when dreaming about a future or a career in technology. Because learning to code does not necessarily have to happen only through a screen. It can even happen through tangible paper module, and be the right fit beyond any limitations. DODO, engaging today's children, motivating tomorrow's engineers.